Hey, it's Elizabeth Brown, the Kitchen Vixen. Today I'm making ScRAp broth. Broth that you make from all your vegetable scraps and bones. Keep it in a freezer bag so that I can make this wonderful stock. Chicken carcasses, bag of scraps of all kinds of vegetables from things I've made a couple months' time. Burn 3 o'clock, take my vegetable, olive oil, tablespoon or 2 of butter, iodized sea salt, tablespoon pepper, some dried basil and oregano, thyme. I don't use a lot of thyme in my recipe, so I might as well use it in my stock. A teaspoon or 2 of each. Basil is my cat, basil is the herb. Maybe some dill. Got a bunch of herbs and salt and pepper in here. It's good for deglazing the pan. A bunch of chicken bones. See that? It's for deglazing your pan. Use your spoon to scrape up those brown bits. That's a skin. Skin is not just the hardcore protective element of the vegetable, it's also full of antioxidants. I have a lot of parsley, purple onion skins, celery, some mushroom stems, more. I'm also going to add cider vinegar to pull out the collagen from the bone. If you think collagen is the answer to all your problems, think again. A combination of a good diet, exercise, I make the most of my food out of respect for the animals and the plants, energy that is put into growing those things, or the energy of the animals that gave their lives, and then the energy that I can put in from my own love to myself or whomever I share my food with. High water. Bring it to a boil. 5 minutes. 4 hours at 350. Nutrient-rich broth. A big colander bowl underneath. It's so good. Out there could be like, that's the secret to my skin, or that's the secret to my flat belly. It's not. Consistency with activity and eating healthy and making biceps, smiling and laughing.